Hello everyone. So what's going to happen today? I thought that today I could be starting a new series of videos. What I'm going to do a series of videos about this series of books. A Dozen a Day. A Dozen a Day by Edna Mae Burnham. Now, this is probably one of the most thoughtful, well put together, progressive and comprehensive series of technical exercise for the piano that I've ever come across. It's so clever. And in fact, I get all my students to practice it. Now, why a series on that? Because I already have videos, I already have playlists, but the more I teach those exercises, and the more I discover that some of those exercises could be played in more than one way. In other words, each one of those exercises has a technical point. It's teaching one psychomotor coordination, it's teaching one technique, but the more I teach them, the more I realize that there are exercises which could be played in more than one ways. And so with that realization, the videos that I already have on YouTube become obsolete. They become inadequate. So I thought, look, why not? I'm going to do a new series, just one video per exercise, where I not only play them, but I also explain them. And hopefully it will be of some use for everybody. Now, it's going to be something very relaxed, very little editing, very little setting of the scene, just like this. And you see, and hopefully it will be of help to some people. Who is this for? Certainly my own students who can go through some concepts again and watch the videos again. Younger and older, so the choice of language will have to oscillate. We'll have to oscillate between talking to children and talking to adults. And maybe some other piano teachers out there who could get some ideas. And if you do get ideas, or if you have ideas that I haven't quite put into focus, then let me know too. That's it. Something very relaxed, very laid back, just like this. There's even my dog snoring in the background, and you know what? That's fine too. So let's get at it. New series, A Dozen a Day, explained.